safe. Don't give a what it takes. No, no, I'm on my grind. What they say. Ain't no lame diggins eating on my plate. Oh, no, 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 no.
Look how cute this is. Should we get some bags? Do we need bags? We should get some bags, right?
Want to look at the kitchen? Let's look at the kitchen. Maybe I got something hot already.
Maybe they have something hot already. Y'all so greedy. The first thing they said when we got to Ikea is let's go check out the food. Oh, this is pretty.
No, they don't got no cold food out.
So I just bought this house, so don't touch nothing. Take it. Shoes off by the door.
Look at these two. They so crazy. Oh, God. Oh, look at that room over there. Look.
The pink one?
Yeah.
That one looks like something you would do for your beauty room for some reason.
No, my beauty room is going to be white and silver. Not no pink. Yeah, black, white, and silver. Promise, you can't be hopping on the beds like that. It's just for show.
This how many pillows I want. So when I go to bed, I just take them off, throw them on the floor.
Come on, y'all, let's go.
You throw this?
Y'all made me forget to even look at the candles. Let's see how these smell. Oh, you can't even. I don't like vanilla smell. It stinks. Oh, this smells good. Raspberry. These smell good, you guys. Where's the cart? Can y'all bring the cart over here? Oh my God. Bring the cart. Oh my God, these kids get on my nerves. This is why I like to go shopping by myself. Look at these fools. Y'all don't hear me calling out for the cart? Who are you talking to?
Her.
Come on.
We had a brunch. Discussing over lunch.
Hi.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus, help me.
I don't like this. It looked too bright though. I don't like bright stuff.
I want to know what a shortcut is because I hate walking through the showroom. I hate it.
You've been in arcade before?
Plenty of
That look
time.
like looking right?
Huh?
It look like something we just I don't know.
Yeah.
And Daddy got
The colors are like this.
And then the kitchen table.
Well, I don't like that table though, but.
Oh, it's probably right.
Ooh, that's some cute stuff.
Look how one couch you was looking for to get like a similar one.
No. It won't be none of these. Where?
All the way behind this blue thing.
Oh, yeah, it does. Can you stop touching me? What's your problem? I really, really like this sofa. It's so pretty. It's so cute. Minus this pillow. You can throw that over there. But this is so cute. They have it in gray.
Do you see this in our living room?
What?
Do you see this in our living room?
No.
See
Ew.
that in our living room?
No, neither one. I like the blue one, but it won't be in my living room.
I need like a big fluffy couch.
Come on. Nevaeh, let's go. What are you doing? Come on. You know how far we have to walk?
Where?
Through the whole showroom. What?
Wait, we gotta walk there for what?
We have to walk through it.
I see you on the other side.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Where you was going?
I was hiding from you. I could tell.
Okay, we found the shortcut.
Oh, these are bunk beds.
This is the kids' furniture. So promise, you are too big for that. Get up. You're embarrassing.
Weird.
It was crazy. Get the clear one with the
Is there a top?
the top should be, you smelling it? I don't know what the tops are. Oh, right here. The clear top. These containers or storage bins are $6.49. They're really cute. They have pink, blue, and clear. What are you doing?
Put the baby to sleep.
What baby?
Camera shots. Please don't come.
Find your brother some clothes. Find him some clothes. Okay.
Yeah, it's too hot for that. Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Okay. Get him dressed.
Alright, I'm ready to go. Oh, I gotta change it. Give me a second. I love that. All done. Here you go.
Okay, please put the clothes back and let's go.
It's for a show.
I gotta really do some fingers. This is very pretty.
No, that's for little kids. So cute. They have it well
Oh, nah,
organized.
this is mommy and daddy. Get out of their closet.
So cute. Can y'all not do that? Get up. Come on.
Oh, you know how like
Oh, I like the storage bin.
at the bottom? Look
Yeah.
at your mini refrigerator. What would you keep in your mini refrigerator?
Oh, juices and waters,
Or when she don't feel like going to the kitchen, she's thirsty. You go
and
right.
stuff like that. Come on,
What
y'all.
bed are you thinking for, like, for your room?
I'm thinking about taking my bed now, but I think that I don't know if I want the same mattress.
Oh, you can change it. Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if we can find a shortcut.
This is a big place.
That's Princess.
What is that? Oh, not the bathroom.
This is so cute.
I'm coming. I'm just washing my face. Hold on. Hold on.
This is so cute.
How was it in the shower with the door open?
I love the wallpaper. I think it's too loud for the bathroom, but
Right.
it's cute for another type of room. Come on. Oh, look.
Oh, I should have.
This is so
Take this down because
cute.
people gotta change their diapers in here.
Oh.
It's better.
Oh, here go the beds. Come on, let's go.
Oh, mattresses.
No, it will most likely be I don't really really know where I'll put it, but it'll be somewhere convenient where the kids won't touch it. But this is a nice
I'm on the desk, but I don't
chair. This is very pretty. And I like it because the sides are open.
Oh, come on, none of these.
Yeah, don't have any arms. We have another beige one up there. That's ugly. This is so pretty. This is the best computer desk. I want it. This is so beautiful. It's so wide. You can put your monitor, your keyboard, a printer, and like little office accessories. This is so pretty.
What?
The screen is black. You can't type nothing.
You don't like just playing with the keyboards, but actually typing something? Like, give me a second, I'm at work. Give me a second. Alright, I'm free.
I'm gonna get 2 of these. These are cute. They are $10 a pack. these little accent rugs. They're so cute. Plop. This is nice though, right? By the beds. Not bad, right? Let's see. Dirty. Nice and soft. Where's Promise? She's so lazy. Okay, you guys, so I got these from Home Depot. These are the color paints we're gonna be painting the house. This is gonna be for the boys' room, mixed with white. These are gonna be for Promise and Nevaeh, also Princess and London's room, and maybe Sutton if she could squeeze in. Then the gray and white is going to be for the living room and the bathrooms, maybe the kitchen, I don't know. And then we have black and white for me and Daddy's room. Comment down below and tell me what you think about these colors and if you think they'll be cute. So you guys, we took a break. We're just chilling in the lounge slash sofa area. Promise is over there. We had to take where?
Right there.
Yeah,
got a word off of that thing and said it.
This is the sofa area, right? The lounge area. Living room. Look.
No, so serious.
Listen. Anyway, we chilling. I think we got lost. They said we're supposed to follow the arrows, but it was like too much. So then we found the shortcut. We went in there, and then it lead us directly to the baby section. And I didn't want to go up in there, so we came right back out immediately. And now we back here by the sofa area. I am trying to find the kitchen supplies section for like utensils, pots, pans, and all that good stuff. So we're gonna take a little 5-minute break because this store is really big. Comment down below if you ever been to Ikea and how long did you spend in the store. Let me know in the comments. How long have we been here already? About 30 minutes? 20 minutes?
Keep it to time.
No, it's been longer than that. It's been longer than that.
We came down like at 4. We came down like 44.
It's been longer than that. More than 20 minutes. I say 30 plus minutes, but I'm tired. I want to just like go home. I also have to stop to the grocery store and get some dinner. I don't know what the heck that is, but yeah, we're gonna go look for the kitchen supply aisle, and then we're gonna get out of here because I'm tired.
Yeah, like that.
No. How much food you want to get?
Why are you?
So greedy. You need a whole cart for food? It's just 3 people. Oh, they have snacks. That looks good. Oh, I think I want a piece of cake. Piece of cake. Sounds good. I never ate at Ikea before. You need a tray? I feel like I'm at school lunch.
Right.
You got food.
I can't wait to go to college.
This is so funny. Oh my God.
See how we all got our own
All
tray?
right.
We in a big meal.
Sis, Promise, how much stuff do you want to get?
This is gonna be our dinner. I want to feel like college. This is gonna be our dinner.
It might be. Shit, I can just get the little kids some pizza and y'all gonna eat here.
I don't care.
We're gonna bring Daddy some Swedish meatballs home. Oh shit, he don't eat meat. He don't eat meat, you can't get that. What is that, apple pie?
Where?
Do it have the names of it on top?
Are you giving me a knife?
What You need a knife to cut your cake.
It looks like something like
We get a
plum.
cake?
Apple crumb.
You get a
right?
cake?
You want one?
Get a
I don't eat,
chocolate.
I only eat vanilla. I mean, if you want to get dark chocolate.
I don't eat that much
your
chocolate. It's a lot of chocolate.
You
Yeah.
smell it too.
All right, you can get a chocolate cake for yourself.
All right, give me one.
I'm gonna get
No, not that one.
which one?
You need like a lot. You know what I'm saying?
So greedy.
I don't eat any of this. I mean, mom, you want to try this one?
Yeah, we can try. We can split it in half. Salads look good.
Watch the prices. Watch the prices.
Watch the prices. The rate is crazy. I think I'm gonna get salad. They look good. Minus the tomatoes.
Right, no tomatoes.
This looks good.
Mommy, get Caesar. Caesar. No?
Oh, you should
No,
got
it's too
Caesar.
dry.
You don't like Caesar?
No, I like the onion and the cheese on top. That Caesar salad.
Tell me this smell like collard. It depends on what kind of dressing they got.
What you gonna drink? Ooh, I don't even know what to drink. You don't have like oh, I'll get a water. Grab me a water. Nah, that's some other stuff.
What you want to eat, guys?
You don't want no water? You're gonna need some water after that double chocolate cake.
I'll open it now.
I guess so. This thing is heavy. Oh my god. So this is what we got. I got some meatballs, mashed potatoes and broccoli, and a salad and some water. They got a triple chocolate cake with some chicken tenders and fries. Where did Promise go? And the Promise got the same thing with that cake. Look at our view. So pretty. That one is better because silver goes with everything.
They both is silver. But this is 60 and this is 20.
That's like the double pack of. That's like the double pack. So we finally found the utensil section, which was on the lower level. I'm so happy. So, I'm so happy. Let's see what we can find. Oh boy. I'm gonna do all silver and white utensils. Look at this girl eating brownie out of saran wrap. I don't think you're gonna find plastic plates in here. Ooh, look at these ice trays. Cute, huh?
What's that, ice trays?
Cute.
That's the
They can
long.
just slide right into the bottle.
Oh, the skinny bottles.
How much are these? Do they come in a pack or you just buy one by one?
That's kind of weird.
Wait, this can't be. That's crazy. How much does it say? It better be for $1.
Take my picture.
I'm not taking no picture. You don't look good.
That's enough.
$2 for
See,
one
this is pure drip. This is drip.
one ice tray. Unbelievable. Come on, Avia. These are cute. These are cute. Here come the kitchen stuff. Are y'all for real? I'm about to start because you gotta be cooking. How much is this? Why you don't have the prices? $2.99? No, that's for that.
Right here.
Let me see. $5.99.
Put a little teaspoon of sugar in here.
That's not a teaspoon.
Whatever cup
That's
this
measuring cups. Ooh, baking utensils. Look. Pizza pans. We need some of these. Let's get two of these. Pizza pan.
We need some of these for cupcakes. This is $4.99.
Oh, you know what I do need? Not that. I want to get a, I need a can opener that we don't have. Oh, look at the set. Look at the set. Look at the set. Everything's silver and white. Get that. Oh, this is a big pot. Really big. For $40.
Mommy, I can't wait to go.
Forward. Nevaeh, do you know how dirty the elevator floor is? Oh my God. Guys, we're done at Ikea. We are going home. Yeah, you want to get out so nobody will see you, right? Oh my God, I should have got a coffee before I came in here. That walk was crazy. Off to the car we go.